Hi, this is Mike Anderson.
And Randy Richardson with the Mississippi Real Estate and Mortgage Post. Mike, I think what we're going to talk about today is closing costs and prepaids.
Great topic.
So, typically me as a real estate agent, when we make offers representing buyers, we ask for some closing costs and prepaids. What's all included in that, Mike?
Well, it's a great question to ask, Randy, because a lot of consumers, I deal with consumers every day, they don't know the difference. What's a prepaid and what's a closing cost? So let me define that.
Valid question.
A prepaid is something that reoccurs. What reoccurs? Property taxes and insurance.
Insurance.
Closing costs are a one-time fee, title fees, lender fees, appraisal fees.
Makes sense.
That's the difference.
So, I've been taught or heard from different people over time that there's an average of a percentage that you ask for. So sometimes it's 3 to 4% of the contract price, as in closing costs and prepaids. Will that cover everything?
No. Okay, it's a misconception. I've heard that for 33 years. I've heard agents, nothing against the agent, they say, oh, closing costs are 3%. Well, then the buyer ends up going to the closing table and they're short money. Okay, that percentage, don't use the percentage. If you're doing really high volume, high sales prices, 300,000, yeah, you're safe. But when you got a smaller sales price, it could be 5 or 6%. The best thing to do is whoever their lender is, get an insurance quote. How long does it take you to get an insurance quote?
Most of the time, if you have a good referral agent, insurance agent, then they can probably get you a quote typically around 20 minutes or so.
Yeah, so get your insurance quote. You already know what the property taxes are because you have it online. And then get your lender to plug in the numbers and give you an accurate number. That way, when you present your offer, there's going to be no surprises.
No surprises, no confusion.
Exactly. And if you have a lender that says they don't want to give you that or they can't give you that information without running their credit report and things like that, then maybe try a different lender.
Yeah, that's a very good possibility. Anything else that you can think of to cover on closing costs and prepaids?
No, it's just do your homework. Shop around. It's great to get a quote. Some lenders sometimes offer credits.
Okay.
You want to ask about that. Is there any lender credit in here? So things like that. But the main thing is just do your homework up front. So when you present as a realtor and you present that offer, there's no surprises to the buyer.
So I know Mississippi is our taxes are paid in arrears. So I know that part of the closing cost and prepaid is taxes on both seller and buyer's portion. It depends on when throughout the year
Correct.
It's prorated throughout the year. Is that right?
Yeah. Mortgage payments you pay in arrears as well. A lot of people don't know that. When you make your mortgage payment for April 1st, you're paying for the month of March.
Okay.
So everything's in arrears. And when you do your prepays, a lot of consumers get confused with this. They go, why do I have to pay 1 year up front for my homeowner's insurance and then pay all these monthly payments? So they make sure that on your anniversary date of your closing, there's enough money there, so the lender will write a check.
Right. So they should always have money in your escrow, and that's where the prepaids go. Is they go held into your escrow.
Correct.
And that way your bank or your lender can pay, that amount to whoever is due to your insurance company or the state for the taxes or whatnot.
Yep.
Mike, I think this has been a very good
Great one.
pointers. If y'all need anything else, let us know. If y'all would like us to cover any topics, let us know. And please follow us on YouTube, like us, and follow us on Facebook as well. Thank y'all and have a good day.
See ya.
See you next time.